Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Tankless BW422LP Outdoor Propane Tankless Water Heater. People who live off the grid require a dependable and efficient water heating system. The Tankless BW422LP is one of the most exciting products they can get for outdoor applications. This high-efficiency outdoor tankless water heater has enough bells and whistles to make it your go-to water heater when you're away from home. The device is one-of-a-kind heating mechanism, which includes a stainless steel burner and a tinning copper heat exchanger. These components provide the product with an impressive 88.5% thermal efficiency, minimizing heat loss while ensuring significant savings. The burner has a maximum output of 110,000 BTUs per hour, ensuring that hot liquids are available quickly. Its 4.22 GPM flow rate is also higher than that of other tankless water heaters I've used. Water heating capabilities will appeal to homeowners and off-the-grid enthusiasts. There's also no need to be concerned about the weather wreaking havoc on this device. It has freeze protection, which allows it to operate in sub-zero temperatures. In addition, the appliance has safeguards against excessively high water pressure, low water flow, and overheating. The flame failure device also works flawlessly. Our second best outdoor tankless water heater is Gasland BS318 Outdoor Propane Tankless Water Heater. This outdoor tankless gas water heater provides hot water no matter where you are. You could be camping with your family, having a summer picnic, or letting your children play in the backyard. A small tankless water heater will provide you with the pleasures you seek. The Gasland BS318, a dependable tankless water heater that runs on regular propane, is an excellent purchase. It is ideal for heating water in your camper, cabin, RV, work shed, garage, or backyard. With 3.18 GPM, you can take longer hot showers. The savings are also substantial. The system can store up to 11.5% of its energy reserves. You'll also appreciate the 82,000 BTU/hour heating element on this water heater. You can quickly raise the temperature to your preferred level, which cuts down on wait times. This product has anti-freezing technology that protects its integrity when the outside temperature drops. There is also a built-in flame failure mechanism to ensure safety when the burner lacks oxygen. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is EcoTemp L5 Portable Outdoor Tankless Water Heater. The best outdoor propane tankless water heater allows you to take hot showers anywhere outside your home. You can enjoy a more beautiful morning in the campgrounds without having to worry about a cold shower. Bathing your dogs or horses is also an option, as is throwing a warm pool party for the kids. A hot shower is always available as long as you have the EcoTemp L5. The unit has 2 independent dials for controlling fuel consumption and water temperature. A 20-pound propane tank will provide you with hot water for several weeks outside your house. It can raise the temperature to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, though most people are content with 110 degrees. The control mechanism of the water heater allows it to produce hot water even with a low water pressure of 20 psi. You'll never complain about cold showers again. Your horse or dog will also feel more at ease after a bath. You can also be confident in the quality and performance of this appliance. Because it is portable, its maximum flow rate is only 1.5 GPM. It is still superior to other tankless water heaters I am familiar with. If this bothers you, you can purchase the 12 volts EcoFlow water pump to increase the flow rate of the heater to 3 GPM. Number 4 in our side is Noritz NR50 Odin Outdoor Tankless Water Heater. The Noritz NR50 Odin Tankless Water Heater is a dependable and efficient tankless water heater for a modern home. Its burner is powered by natural gas, which quickly raises the temperature to comfortable levels. An adequate hot water supply will never be a problem again. This appliance is a heavy-duty natural gas burner that generates 120,000 BTUs per hour, which reduces heating time by several minutes. You won't have to worry about running out of fuel because it heats up quickly. Your natural gas bills will decrease, allowing you to save for your vacation. The Energy Star certification of the product can also put your mind at ease. Your family will enjoy taking hot showers, bathing your pets, and washing their clothes more efficiently. A tankless water heater typically has a flow rate of 2 to 2.5 gallons per minute. This water heater outperforms the industry standard, providing up to 5 GPM for your needs. Showering will be more enjoyable, and dishwashing will be more efficient, if your home has a consistent supply of hot water. Last in our top 5 best outdoor tankless water heater list is Camplux Pro WA686LP Tankless Water Heater. Camplux Advanced 6.86 GPM high-capacity flow control propane gas tankless water heater delivers 6.86 gallons per minute of on-demand endless hot water, ensures instant hot water for 3 to 4 persons whole home shower and kitchen at one time. Many modern homeowners trust Camplux, which provides them with exceptionally high performance and advanced water heaters. Consider the Pro WA686LP tankless water heater from the company. This appliance not only has a stylish appearance, but it also outperforms other brands. The WA686LP has the highest BTU/hour rating of 180,000 of the tankless water heaters I tested. This device can quickly raise the temperature, allowing you to enjoy a hot shower in no time. Because the water heater has a maximum flow of 6.86 GPM, you and 2 other household members can take a hot shower at the same time. There will never be a significant drop in temperature. Furthermore, its 0.82F rating is higher than that of conventional tanked water heaters. Direct current frequency conversion fan. The propane gas water heater comes with a direct current frequency conversion fan. The water heater can resist level 8 strong wind, and you no need to worry about the water pressure in high floors. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.